You just got your HookZ V2 and you're trying to install it on your AirPods. My name is Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, let's start and show you how to install. So the first thing you should know, it's going to be different on the Airpods Pro and Airpods 3, and it's going to be different on the Airpods 1 and 2. So here I have the Airpods 1, which are similar to the 2, and here I have the Airpods Pro. They're somewhat similar to the Airpods 3. I'll show you later and I'll explain why. All right, so when you get your HookZ V2, immediately you'll see you get two sizes, the smaller one and the larger one. I use the smaller one, by the way. So let's get on to it. I'll show you first with the Airpods Pro because it's the easiest, and then we'll move to the Airpods 1 and 2. So just take out your AirPods. On the Airpods Pro and the Airpods 3, you have the button right here. I don't know if you can see it, but you have the touch button. It's very, very easy. One thing you should know immediately, and that's very important. The AirPods are unique for the right one and for the left side. So this is the right, you'll see right here. Try to zoom on it. You'll see that it says R, and on the other one it says left. It's very, very important that you use the right one on the right one and vice versa, because if you do not, they are going to get pushed out of your ears. All you got to do is you see the cutout on the actual hooks. Let me move this out of the way. You're just going to align it and push all the way until you see the cutout. The Airpods 3 have the same button, so all you got to do is just match it to the cutout and then do the same. Match it to the cutout, and now as you see, just pull it over your ear and adjust it in your ear, and that is it. That's how simple it is. And then when you want to take it off and charge it, simply just slide it off, and that is it. Now let's move on to the Airpods 1, which are similar to the Airpods 2. They look the same, they're the same build. This is the Airpods 1 right here. Again, make sure to use the right hooks on the right AirPod and the left one on the left. So what you want to do with the Airpods 1 and 2. You see the speaker opening? You want to align the cutout to the speaker opening and then slide it in. Now, because the stem is so long on the Airpods 1 and 2, you can actually adjust it. If you leave it at the bottom, it's going to be the smallest size and it might not fit your ear. But if you take it all the way to the top, it will be the largest size. Okay? Now, one thing that's very important, as soon as you align it to the speaker, you want to then twist it slightly to the other side. All right? So you see how I twist it like this. And then I put it slightly almost all the way up the stem. And then just as I show you right now, you're gonna slide it over your ear, adjust it in your ear, and that is it. That's how simple it is. Take them off, charge them, and you are done. That's how you install your HookZ V2. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us.